Online evaluation. Online evaluation.
Online evaluation is the practice of measuring how an AI model performs directly in production using real user interactions and feedback, instead of only pre-collected test data.
A simple way to picture online evaluation is as a constant health check for your model. Every click, search, or rating from users becomes a live signal of how well the system is doing right now. Instead of trusting only a one-time exam, you're continuously grading the model based on how real people actually use it.
For example, a recommendation model on a shopping site can be evaluated online by tracking which suggested products users actually click, add to cart, or buy, and comparing that behavior across different model versions. This idea connects closely to data distribution shift, where user behavior changes over time, and online evaluation helps you see that shift as it happens.
Online evaluation matters because offline metrics alone often miss how models behave under real traffic, changing user preferences, and edge cases. It is central to safe, reliable AI deployment, powering A/B tests, feature rollouts, and continuous improvement loops, so teams can detect regressions early and keep models aligned with actual user needs. Online evaluation.